god. Um. Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys, it's me, Marty. So today is here. It's radioactive foxy. Anyway, this was from. Okay, maybe not now. So Ballora lost his arm. I don't know what just happened because I throw him and I don't know where it is. But I'll do it in boxing. So I'm drinking coconut. No, so it have a collection on this bag. So I never got this before. So maybe next time or maybe not now. So here she is, radioactive foxy.
Oh, dito na yung gata. Ano yan?
A melon? There it goes. I am a FNAF YouTuber and a VooTuber. I am a lot of VooTuber and that's my Auntie Jeannie. So anyways, let's open him up. Okay, let's go. Here we have Jacobani. It doesn't glow in the dark, you know. And also she can glow in the dark. I forgot here. Also, I don't get all of them. Only radioactive foxy. And this one is stop toasting. I said toast it. So let's go. Okay. I forgot how to open this, but what? Okay, so I don't get any scissors. This is from Amazon and they are big. I cannot wait to make a fighting video tomorrow because I don't have school anymore. So let's go. Tita Jeannie, tawag ka si Mama. Sorry, I speak Tagalog, but I am in Tagalog, and I am in Dubai. So I'm almost going to the new house. Wait, I didn't open this. I know this is kind of weird that I'm making, so I don't know if I'm gonna get this or all of them, but not the three ones. Not the Arcade Mayhem, only this one. That's because I don't have Spring Trap. I said Spring Trap. I look like a kid now. Oh, and also.
Ano yun lahat ng binayad mo, Gini? Dito lahat galing.
And also.
Meron kaya tayo dyang 90 kasi mga bagyo ba rin.
And also, I don't know if she can glow in the dark, but I'll make it at nighttime. I'll just wait at nighttime and make a video on it. I promise I won't make. I promise, guys. I won't make. I won't be late. So this is my favorite because this is an action figure. You know, so Green Foxy is my favorite electronic. So here she is. like this because I didn't make unboxing videos of Jackal Bonnie. So this is number Bonnie because I glue him out with super glue because her nose just got out and we will talk about her. So okay, so here she is, Green Foxy, but I can call him Green Foxy, whatever. What happened to his arm? Look. What happened to his arm? Like it just fell out. But wait, you can wiggle his arm? Oh my! This is the best day. My dad cannot come here because I am videoing, so my dad won't let me allow to video herself. Cause he has a video of himself and he don't want to make a video. But I said, Dad, can I make a video from your phone so I can make a, you know? And then he said, oh, and then he said no. That's why he don't want to make a video. I'll just break him apart. See? Oh, she is done. Oh my gosh, she is so soft. Wait, you can take his body part out? Oh, I see. Cause I met this YouTuber before, and that not him. You know, so quiet, happy. And also, where did this come from? Ah, yes. Here. Oh my gosh. Oh! Anyways, I love Green Foxy. I don't love Green Foxy. But anyways, I just love her style. Okay, here she is. Okay, here she is. A wonderful day that I am here now. Here's Jackal Bonnie and Nightmare Bonnie. But Laura, because he lost his arm, so he used Enard. Enard have a eyeball? And here we have the plush version of me. Hey. At the end of the video, I'll make a part 2 of it also at night because he will glow in the dark, I think so. But we'll see you next time.